What's up, everybody? We're back again with another video, and so today we about to do a quiche video. And so people who don't know what a quiche is that's like a breakfast pie, basically. You know what I'm saying? So what we're gonna put in our breakfast pie, of course, we're gonna need a pie shell or a pie crust. I got some sausage, some cheese, milk, some spinach, and the main thing is some eggs. So let's go and get to it, y'all. Alright, everybody, welcome back and stuff like that. So the only thing I really had to do is I had to put my crust in there for a little bit, just kind of get like, make sure everything stick together and stuff like that. And then while that was in the oven for about 10 minutes or so, I just got my eggs and my milk, just put everything in there. And since we're doing spinach and sausage, let's add a little bit of spinach and some sausage and some cheese, and that's it. So what if you probably wondering like, dang, what's next? What is next? And I just dropped the sausage. So the only thing you're really gonna do now is just pour that thing in there. You'll probably don't want to overfill it. Probably add a little bit more. That's it. And throw that thing in the oven. And there you go. So see how we'll get done. Let's get it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back and stuff like that. So you know what I'm saying, got done making the quiche, you know what I'm saying. Now it's about time to eat it. You know what I'm saying? Well, that's basically what it looked like right there. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and take a bite of this thing right here. Alright. That thing popping, yo. So you'll go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff to check out the next video. So see you after the next video, y'all. What it do, baby? You know what I'm saying? I gotta make a confession if I can speak. You know what I'm saying? I just woke up. I apologize. But yeah, the video that, you know what I'm saying, y'all just watched and stuff. Yeah, funny thing, I forgot about this video, and so this joint is probably like a few months and so, yeah. And another confession, yeah, so when recording this video, dog, I had used the wrong crust. I had used graham cracker crust by accident because my dumb ass thought, like, I don't know, I was being stupid when I was in the process of recording this. And so yeah, so I'm not gonna lie. So I made me a fire mistake. I'm trying to tell y'all that joint was fire. Like, you probably think, how was this a few months ago? How you remember it? Because I had to make it again. Cause I was curious before I had uploaded this video. And yeah, that joint was fire, bro. That joint was like fire. But you know what I'm saying? Here's what it looked like without the graham cracker crust. Alright, yeah. See, like, it still look pretty good though, right? But you know what I'm saying? So try either or, you know what I'm saying, the recipe will be fire. So yeah. So, you know what I'm saying? I already said it before, but you know what I'm saying, go ahead, like, comment. Bro, can I speak though, dog? Like, can I learn how to use words? Probably not. But like I was trying to say, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Share the video, you know what I'm saying? Help this channel grow, blah, 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 blah. You feel me? And so, what else? Yeah, get in my belly, y'all.
Meditating on the conflict, lost wings, not a prophet. He was fighting through the mosh pit. I was getting praise, I was toxic. Am I wrong for this placement? I was undecided, keep facing. Thoughts, feelings just wasted. Took a fall to the wasteland. Why did I fail? Went from no fortune, I'm sure you could tell. He had a mission, that miss can't prevail. I was in pain, leaving blood on my trail. I cannot listen to you. Tears in my face when I see how you move. I gotta stick to the ways that I knew. Keeping me down, I was stuck in the blue. I gotta stay on my head, gotta choose. I gotta keep to myself, watch a fool. I cannot listen to her nor to you.